Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dr. Mir Mh from Medicare Clinic Soil 1920 in HSR Layout, Bangalore. And today I'm going to talk to you about pilgrims who have decided to do Hajj and Umrah. Now, there are two ways we commonly see in patients that they decide to do Hajj and Umrah. One is those patients who have some kind of a business here and they try to generate halal income and go directly to Mecca and Medina and complete their Hajj and Umrah and come. And there are other people who cannot afford to do a Hajj and Umrah. So, what they do is there are many people who say that we will take you on a triangle journey to Hajj and Umrah. So they make them spend a certain period in India and tell them that you have to mandatorily do these things while in India. Then they take them to a country like Western country and tell them you have to stay here for a certain period and mandatorily do these things. And in the third leg of the journey, they take them to a Islamic country and tell them you have to mandatorily do these things. And then when these people do their Hajj and Umrah, they realize that it has gone completely wrong and it is useless, and they end up in a very dangerous and hellish kind of a condition because they realize they have not been guided or told the correct way of doing it, and the whole effort has gone completely waste, and they have been locked up in hell and cannot escape from the suffering. So, unfortunately, the problem is many people take a decision to do Hajj or Umrah without understanding even some of the basic criteria, which is not clear to many people here. So, if you ever decide to do Hajj and Umrah, please remember that going on a triangle tour to complete your Hajj and Umrah can be extremely dangerous because the things that happen in the triangle Hajj and Umrah have landed many people in hell, and they are locked up in hell. Their whole effort has gone a waste, and they have lost everything they had because they were they were told that it is done this way. But there are many people who just did some kind of business here and generated halal income, and unfortunately they have completely they were quite they derived all the benefits out of it. So before you decide to do something, instead of blindly following something, you should try to do some research and understand, and before attempting it, kindly stop yourself from becoming jokers, comedians and humor artists, and also stop others from becoming jokers, comedians and humor artists. The condition of the patient who did the triangle Hajj and Umrah is really, really pitiable and horrible. Thank you.